Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a drugstore makeup tutorial on how I got this look, and all of the products that I will be using are going to be $10 or less. So this is for anyone that's trying to look cute on a budget. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I already moisturized with the Pond's Clarent correcting cream, and I have everything written down with how much it is, so I'll just insert the price down below. Okay, so next I'm going to be using the e.l.f. hydrating face primer, and this is also really affordable. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. So this is the first video that I'm filming in 2020, and my hair is short, you guys. I chopped off so much of it, but I really like it. It is so much healthier now. I'm gonna clip my hair back actually. If I keep looking that way, it's because my vanity mirror is that way. Today I'm using natural lighting since it finally stopped being cloudy. It was raining for the whole week. So the foundation I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I love this foundation. It has so much coverage. And now if I'm looking down here, it's because I have my mirror down there. Going in with the concealer, and this one is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So whenever I was preparing to film this video, I was struggling because I didn't realize that I didn't have a drugstore palette that was under $10. Like, all of them that are drugstore are over $10. Like, I had the L'Oreal Natural something, I forgot what it's called, and I looked it up and that one's 15, so I couldn't use it. But do you have this palette? This I've had for maybe like 4 years. The brand Coastal Scents. I think it's only once a year or twice a year where they'll have all of their single shadows for 99¢ each. So I decided to get this a long time ago, and I started building this palette. So technically this is under $10. So I'll be using that to do my eye makeup. To be honest, I really don't know what look I'm doing. I'm just gonna kind of go with it. First one I'm gonna go in is with this one. There's a name in the back. This is Oatmeal Tan, and I'm using this fluffy brush from Morphe and M441. And so now I'm gonna go in with the color right next to it. This one is Oktoberfest. So now I'm grabbing the Vermona brush, and I'm going to use that dark burnt color and the brown, and I'm gonna do that for my under eye. Sunset Gold, and I'm just gonna use that and put it like on my eyelid. Okay, so now we're done with the eyeshadow, and what I'm gonna do next is do my eyeliner. And I like using the Revlon Colorstay Skinny Eyeliner, and this one is in the darkest black color. So I finally finished my eyeliner, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put on some eyelashes. But I did want to talk to you guys about some different eyelashes that you can find at the drugstore that are really affordable. So the first ones that I want to talk about are the Ardell Demi Wispy lashes. I usually get them in packs like this just because I use them up really quickly. But these are really affordable. This pack was, I think, $7, but it does come with 5 pairs, so that's pretty good. And then there's also this brand that I use a lot, and it's Dodo lashes. I absolutely love their lashes. You can only get them online though, but they are pretty affordable. Like there's some that are like $6-8, so it's not that expensive. So definitely check them out. I will most likely be using these today just because I like the lashes with a thicker band, but these are really good for every day, and especially if you're just starting out wearing eyelashes, these are a good like beginner eyelash to wear. So I'll go ahead and put these on. Now I do have a discount code with them. I'll put it here on the screen if you guys want to check them out. So while the eyelash glue is getting tacky, I guess I'll go ahead and start putting on my bronzer. I struggled looking for a bronzer in my makeup because I haven't used a drugstore bronzer in a while. I just have a hard time finding one that doesn't make me look too like orangey. So yeah, but I did find this one that I used to have. There's like barely any product on here, but this is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder. And what I would do is I would just get one that's like a little bit darker. Okay, so the eyelashes are dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply them. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the blush, and I'm gonna be using this Milani, I forgot what it's called, but this is this like pretty gold blush. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this Airspun loose face powder to bake my face. For highlight, I use the Milani Strobe Light highlight in the shade Day Glow. Okay, so my highlight is on. Now the last thing I'm going to do is put on a lipstick. And I'm using the Vivid Hot Lacquer by Maybelline in Unreal. And I don't really feel like putting on lip liner, so I'm just going to put on this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I am finally back and recording, and tell me what you guys think about my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave me a like and comment down below what your favorite drugstore makeup is, and let me know if it's under $10 because it's kind of hard to find really good makeup products that are under $10. Yeah, that'll be it for today, you guys. See you guys next time.